So it's been a minute since I've even flown, probably like a week, and I've never flown here. Welcome to, I don't know, what might, during the summer times at least, when school's out, be one of my new fly spots. Just moved this past weekend, so I've been super busy doing that, and hella busy with work, all the work that I'm doing behind the scenes, stuff that can't talk about. Yeah, so loaded everything up on my way home from work and decided I'm gonna rip some new spot at the new place for the first time. So here we go, Avery Ranch, first rip. Let's do it.
You're not the only one that life threw overboard, chasing their dreams. You're sinking in an ocean blue, 'cause no one's understanding what you see. They say talk to us in black and white, but you can only ever speak in color. And I watch you treading water now, but trust me, life is better when you're breathing. Baby, if you're lost, let's be lost together. Let's be lost forever. 'Cause girl, you know I'm lost too long. So if we're lost forever, at least we're lost together. 'Cause girl, you know I'm lost. Across the world, but no one ever recognizes me. 'Cause I've been searching for somebody who can be a reflection of everything that I see. So take my hand, let's run away, run across the ocean waves with me. 'Cause I'm chasing shadows on my own, but I'd rather chase your love, 'cause I'm in too deep. But I'll never let you go. Baby, if you're lost, let's be lost together. Let's be lost forever. 'Cause girl, you know I'm lost too long. So if we're lost forever, at least we're lost together. 'Cause girl, you know I'm lost.
Oh my god. So couple of this spot is so lit. Oh my god. Yeah, so let me unplug this battery. We flew that pack all the way down to like 6 volts. When it landed, it said min voltage 6.7. Oh my goodness, this spot is so lit. I love it. Did you see the dive hole? I didn't make it. I didn't go through it. I almost tried twice and I pulled right out right at the end. Definitely gonna have to practice that one. Yeah, but yeah, this spot, I mean, I never even walked this spot. I just literally drove around, double checked there was no people, and just ripped. for first pack. Whoo! Yo, Mike Qualls, give it to me raw, baby. Then let's talk. So yeah, this is gonna be a raw rip. Damn, that was fun. I wish I could rip some more, but I'm gonna call that safe for the first ever.